I'm Bláthnaid Raleigh, I'm 26, and 5 years ago I was raped by Jonathan Moran. In April of this year he was convicted of the charges of rape and aggravated sexual assault, and on last Monday I decided to waive my right to anonymity, to share my story and to hopefully help other people that are going through this process. By waiving my right, it named my attacker, and for the last 5 years he's lived a very perfect life. When I've struggled to, complete really basic daily tasks, he's continued to play sport, play rugby with his local club, work, and this was my chance to show people what he actually was like and what he had done. There was sort of a lack of young people sharing their story, and I know from statistics that there's so many young women and men that this happened to, but there seemed to be a gap in those people coming forward, and I thought that if at least one person could read my story and find a similarity in, she's my age or her life seems similar or, something, and she got justice, her attacker was found guilty and is going to prison, then at least it would be worth it for something,